Your college fund needs a boost. We all know that the cost of education is skyrocketing, and every little bit helps. Whether it's tuition, books, or just everyday expenses, having a bit of extra cash can make a world of difference. College is amazing, but let's be real. Textbooks, coffee dates, and spontaneous Target runs aren't free. Those little expenses add up quickly, and before you know it, you're wondering where all your money went. It's not just about the big-ticket items. It's the small, everyday costs that can really drain your wallet. Fear not, fellow broke college girl. There are plenty of ways to make some extra cash without sacrificing your social life or study time. You don't have to live in constant financial stress. There are solutions out there that can help you balance your budget and still enjoy your college experience. Making extra cash doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be fun and rewarding. From freelance gigs to part-time jobs, there are numerous opportunities that can fit into your busy schedule. You just need to find the right one for you. We're talking manageable side hustles and flexible gigs that fit your busy schedule. Whether it's tutoring, babysitting, or even selling handmade crafts online, there's something out there for everyone. The key is to find something that you enjoy and that doesn't interfere with your studies. No pyramid schemes, we promise. Those are a waste of time and money. Instead, focus on legitimate opportunities that offer real value and fair compensation. It's important to be cautious and do your research before committing to any job or gig. Seriously, run from those faster than you run from a group project with no clear leader. You don't want to get caught up in something that could end up costing you more than you make. Stick to reputable sources and trusted recommendations. This isn't about getting rich quick, although wouldn't that be nice? It's about creating a sustainable income stream that can help you manage your expenses and maybe even save a little for the future. It's about being smart with your money and making informed decisions. It's about taking control of your finances one latte at a time. Every little bit helps, and by making small changes and finding ways to earn extra cash, you can make a big difference in your financial situation. It's all about being proactive and taking charge of your financial future. Ready to ditch the ramen-only budget? Let's dive in. There are so many opportunities out there, and with a little effort and creativity, you can find the perfect side hustle that fits your lifestyle and helps you achieve your financial goals. So let's get started and make that Cha-Ching happen. Remember all those hours you spent acing your classes? Time to cash in on that brain power. Tutoring is a classic side hustle for college students. Got a knack for calculus? Help out struggling freshmen and dodge their awkward dorm parties as payment. English essay whiz? Your grammar skills are in high demand. You can tutor online, in person, or even create study guides to sell. Pro tip: advertise on campus bulletin boards and online student groups. If you're a word nerd who can craft a killer essay, or even just a really compelling Instagram caption, freelance writing might be your jam. Businesses are always on the lookout for fresh voices to create website content, blog posts, social media updates, and more. No professional writing experience? No problem. Plenty of online platforms connect freelance writers with clients. Start building your portfolio and watch the dollar signs, or should we say word counts, roll in. Are you the queen of DIY? Do you make jewelry, knit adorable hats, or paint masterpieces worthy of a museum, or at least your dorm room wall? Etsy, my friend, is calling your name. This online marketplace is a haven for creative entrepreneurs selling handmade and vintage goods. Set up your shop, showcase your unique creations, and connect with a global audience eager to buy. Bonus, you're your own boss, which means flexible hours and working in your PJs. Section 5. Online surveys and tasks. Easy money? Kinda. Let's be real. Taking online surveys and completing micro-tasks won't make you rich. But hey, every little bit helps, right? Sign up for reputable survey sites and get paid for sharing your opinions on everything from shampoo to your favorite reality TV shows. You can also find platforms that pay you for completing small tasks like data entry, image tagging, or testing websites. It's not glamorous, but it's an easy way to earn some extra cash during study breaks. Section 6. Social media savvy? Become a manager. Are you glued to your phone, scrolling through Instagram and TikTok like it's your job? Do you find yourself constantly checking notifications, liking posts, and sharing stories? Well, guess what? It could actually be your job. Imagine turning your social media addiction into a career. Many small businesses, and even some big ones, need help managing their social media presence. They are looking for someone who understands the ins and outs of these platforms. From crafting the perfect Instagram post to engaging with followers on TikTok, businesses need someone who can keep their online presence vibrant and engaging. That's where you come in, social media guru. Your role would involve creating engaging content, scheduling posts, and analyzing data to see what works best. A social media manager wears many hats, from content creator to data analyst and even customer service representative. And hopefully, all of them stylish. You'll need to stay on top of trends and be creative in your approach. Plus, you can often do this gig remotely, which is a huge perk. Imagine working from your favorite coffee shop, sipping on a latte while you schedule posts. Or, let's be honest, your bed. The flexibility of this job allows you to work from anywhere, making it perfect for students or anyone who values a flexible schedule. So, if you're social media savvy and looking for a fun, flexible job, consider becoming a social media manager. It's a role that combines creativity, strategy, and the freedom to work from anywhere. And who knows, you might just find that your passion for social media can turn into a rewarding career. Section 7. Campus Ambassador, rep your favorite brands. Love a good energy drink? Obsessed with a certain clothing store? Why not get paid to share your enthusiasm? Companies often hire campus ambassadors to promote their products and services to college students. You'll be the go-to person for handing out freebies, hosting events, and spreading the brand love. It's a fun way to meet new people, build your resume, and maybe even score some free swag. Just be prepared to rock that branded t-shirt with pride. Section 8. Dog walking and pet sitting. Furry friends, full pockets. Calling all animal lovers. Dog walking and pet sitting are some ways to make money while getting your daily dose of furry cuddles. Busy pet parents are always looking for responsible and trustworthy people to walk their dogs, scoop litter boxes, and provide some much-needed pet therapy. You can find gigs through word of mouth, online platforms, or even by posting flyers in your neighborhood. Pro tip: offer extra services like pet grooming or basic training to increase your earning potential. Section 9. Part-time gigs. Retail therapy, for your wallet. Okay, working retail might not be the most glamorous job, but hear us out. It's a job that offers more than just a paycheck. It's a classic part-time gig for a reason. Flexible hours, employee discounts, and the chance to interact with people, hopefully the nice ones. You can often find shifts that fit around your class schedule, making it easier to balance work and study. Plus, with so many different retail options, you can find a store that aligns with your interests. Whether you're into fashion, books, electronics, or even sports gear, there's likely a retail job that matches your passion. Love fashion? Work at a trendy boutique. You'll not only get to be around the latest styles, but also enjoy employee discounts that can help you build your wardrobe without breaking the bank. Passionate about books? Snag a job at a bookstore? Imagine being surrounded by your favorite novels and getting first dibs on new releases. Plus, you can share your love of reading with customers and maybe even get some great recommendations in return. Just be prepared for the occasional grumpy customer and the inevitable "can you check in the back?" requests. These moments can be challenging, but they also teach valuable skills like patience, problem solving, and customer service. And let's not forget the financial benefits. A part-time retail job can help you cover your expenses, save up for something special, or even just give you a bit of extra spending money for those weekend outings with friends. Balancing work and school can be tough, but many retail jobs offer the flexibility you need to make it work. You'll learn time management skills that will serve you well in your future career. And who knows, you might even find opportunities for advancement. Many retail stores promote from within, so your part-time gig could turn into a more significant role down the line. So, while it might not be the most glamorous job, working in retail can offer a lot more than you might think. It's a great way to gain experience, earn money, and maybe even have a little fun along the way. Section 10. Event staffing, work hard, play kinda hard. Want to be where the action is? Event staffing might be your calling. From concerts and festivals to conferences and weddings, there's always a need for extra hands to help things run smoothly. You could be checking tickets, serving food and drinks, setting up equipment, or even managing crowds. The work can be demanding, but it's also a chance to be part of exciting events and meet new people. Plus, who doesn't love a good after party, even if you're just cleaning up? Section 11. You go, girl. Embrace your inner girl boss. There you have it, 10 easy and hopefully somewhat entertaining ways to make money as a college girl. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for. Don't be afraid to try different things, hustle hard, and watch your bank account grow. Who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent or passion you never knew you had. So go forth, my fellow broke millennials, and conquer the world, or at least that mountain of student loan debt. You got this.